Welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand how to write a Python program to check whether given strings are anagram. What is an anagram? Very simple. Anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or a phrase. Just to take an example here, let us say you have Ram. I can rearrange that as a arm. So these two are anagrams. If we have to check given strings are anagram or not, it has to satisfy two conditions. One is both the strings, the string 1 and string 2, should be of same length. Length should be same. Means number of characters in one string is same as that of another string. And the second condition is both the strings should have same characters. Means here the sequence in which the characters are arranged may be different, but they should have a same character. So how do we approach writing a Python program to check whether the strings are anagram or not? Let me take an example. Let us say we have a first string as rat and second thing as tar. Both of them are anagram. If I were to write a Python program for this, how do we approach it? First thing is we have to accept couple of inputs from the user. That is anyway need to be done. Second thing is there any iteration involved here? Maybe or may not be. If you want to take a long route, then use the iteration. If you want to do it in a very simple and concise manner, you can take help of inbuilt functions of Python. And do we have any computation involved here? Not really, because we are dealing with the strings. It doesn't make sense to do any computation on the strings. So iteration may be involved, but that may not be required. Let us get straight to the Jupyter notebook and start writing a program for this. Okay, I have opened a Jupyter notebook. So first and foremost thing is we got to accept the two strings. For that, I will declare the variable as val1 and I will say str because I want to accept only the string values. I'll say input, please. Okay, and I will say please enter second string. And I'll change this from val1 to val2. Okay, so what did I say? I need not use the iteration here because we can get this done with a very simple and straightforward function that happens to be sorted. So what I will do is I will say if and I'll say sorted val1. What am I doing here? I'm sorting the characters of a first string and checking whether that is equivalent to the sorted characters of 2. If both of them match, then it is an anagram. If they don't match, then it is not an anagram. So if this matches, I will say print given strings anagram. Else they are not. I'll copy this and paste it here. Shall we take an input and see? Let us do that. There is an issue here. I'll fix that. Okay. Now our program is working. Let us check this. I'll say rat and tar. The given strings are anagram. Just to make this program a bit more explicit, what we'll do is we will print the sorted strings to check whether they are correct or not. I'll say, I'll take this. Okay, I'll copy the same thing here. I'll say not rat and tar. Okay, you can see the given strings are anagram. You can see first rat is arranged in a alphabetical order, ART. Then tar is also arranged in alphabetical order, ART. Then both of them are compared, and if they are same in terms of number of characters and also the same characters, then they are anagram. Let us check for one more value. I will say Jaya, then Arun. The given strings are not anagram because you say Aja, Anru, right? They are not anagrams. We can also do one more thing. Instead of printing these things, I will copy this, and instead of sorting the values here, I will sort the values initially only before I compare them. I'll say is equal to here. Say it is a, then I'll give a B here. Okay, here instead of directly sorting the values while comparing, I will sort the values, store that in a variable, and use those variables for comparison. Let's do this. Okay, I'll say tar and I'll say rat. Wonderful. Awesome. We understood how to write a Python program to check if the given strings are anagram or not. Please do practice. Thank you.